Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is methods in Java. In general, a method is a way to perform a same task. Similarly, the method in Java is a collection of instruction that perform a specific task. It provides the reusability of code. We can we can also easy modify code using method. It is a section we will learn that is a method java in java type of method. So what is the method in the java types of the methods? So method declaration and how to call a method in java. So a method in java is a block of code or collection of the statements or a set of a code grouped together to perform a certain task or operations. It is used to achieve a reusability of a code. We write a method once and use it many times. We do not required to write code again and again. It also provides the easy modification and reusability of code. So just by adding or removing the uh, removing chunks of code, the method is executed uh, only when we call or invoke invoke it. So method declaration. The method declaration is provide information about the attributes such as reusability, visibility, return type, name, and arguments. It has six components that are known as method holders. And method in a method declaration, we used to use method signature. Every method has a method signature. It has a part of a method declaration. Include the method name and parameter list. So access specifier, second one is access specifier. So access specifier is the access type of the method specified to the visibility of method. In access specifier, we use public keyword static, uh, public, private, protected, and default access specifier. It is used in the method declaration. So in a method declaration, we use a return type. So return type is the data type this in the method return. So method second one is method name, important. So it is a unique name that's used to define define the name of the method. It must be corresponding to the functionality of the method. Suppose parameter list is, so it is the list of the parameter separated by the comma and enclosed in a pair of parentheses. So second one is method body. So it is a method body is part of the method declaration. It is contain all the actions. In method declaration, we use types of methods. So first one is a predefined method. Second one is a user defined method. So predefined method is a already defined method in Java. Is in a class libraries is known as a predefined method, also known as a standard library method or a built-in method. So second one is user defined method written by the user or programmer. It known as a user defined method. It is a method or according to the requirement. So third one is a static method used to method declaration method in Java. So static method is used to uh, used static keyword. Static method is belongs to the class rather than the instance class known as a static method. So second one is a instance method. The method of the class is known as the instance method. It is a non-static method defined in the class before calling it or invoking the instance of the method. It is necessary to clear object. It is a class. So in instance method, two types. So accessor method and mutator method. Mutator method. So these are the information about method in Java. Thank you so much.